Welcome to the future of home tech. Transform your living space into a tech paradise with the latest and coolest gadgets you can discover across the vast expanse of the web. Still playing pinball on your PC? Why not upgrade to something more interactive and engaging? In this video, we'll introduce you to a range of innovative gadgets that will not only enhance your room's aesthetic, but also bring a lot of fun and convenience into your life. Whether you're into gaming, productivity, or simply want to add some flair to your room, there's something here for everyone. So, let's dive in and explore these amazing gadgets. ROKR Pinball Machine 3D Wooden Puzzle. First up, we have the ROKR Pinball Machine 3D Wooden Puzzle. Relive the 90s magic with this pinball machine that you assemble yourself. It's equipped with the electronic scoring, sound, and light effects. It will take you about 12 hours to put it together, but the good news is, you won't need any glue. Once assembled, use the ball launcher to watch the ball hit various targets and enjoy the colorful circus-themed design with LED lights. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern tech that will surely entertain both kids and adults. ROKR Vitascope 3D Wooden Puzzle Projector. If you're into retro vibes, the ROKR Vitascope 3D Wooden Puzzle Projector is another great choice. This one's a bit easier to assemble, taking up to 8 hours. Since it's fully mechanical, you won't need any batteries. Just install the film in the special compartment and rotate the crank the old-fashioned way to watch your favorite films. It's a beautiful piece of craftsmanship that adds a touch of vintage charm to any room. Edify Robotics. Pixely pixel art is a classic, so why not get a useful accessory to accompany you throughout the day? The Edify Robotics Pixely is a versatile gadget that can play your favorite radio station while you make your morning coffee. When it's time to get to work, switch to the Pomodoro timer to boost productivity. During breaks, enjoy your favorite music and watch the lights dance to the beats. For those who like to customize, you can use the Arduino IDE and its user-friendly API to add more features. Chagden Charge Station. In today's tech-filled world, having multiple devices means needing multiple chargers. The Chagden Charge Station is perfect for this, as it can simultaneously power up to 8 devices with USB-C, USB-A, and wireless charging ports. It's a speed demon, capable of charging an iPhone 13 Pro Max in just 30 minutes and a MacBook Air in 2 hours. With built-in overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection, it ensures safe and efficient charging. Pococo Galaxy Star Projector. Troubles with falling asleep? Transform your room into a starry sky with the Pococo Galaxy Star Projector. This projector features a 2 million pixel lens with 95% light transmission, revealing universes, nebulas, and planets in exquisite detail. The 5K Ultra HD disc lens projects onto your ceiling, walls, or anywhere you desire. It's adjustable, has a built-in battery, and can plug into a regular power source. Set the timer and sleep tight under a starry sky. MES Retro Mini TV Game Console. Dive into the nostalgia of gaming's golden era with the MES Retro Mini TV Game Console. This mini TV doubles as a game console, bringing the charm of 8-bit classics to your fingertips. Packed with over 500 games, it's a treasure trove for retro gaming enthusiasts. It features a 3.5-inch HD display, wireless controllers, and can even mirror the screen on a big TV for epic 2-player showdowns. JSA Tablet Pillow Stand. For those who love lounging with their devices, the JSAU Tablet Pillow Stand is a must-have. Whether you're reading, watching videos, or typing, this stand enhances your experience and posture. Compatible with all devices up to 11 inches, it's perfect for use in bed, on the sofa, or on a rug. Just pick the most suitable angle and place it comfortably on your lap. Air Ethereal Flame Aroma Diffuser. Create a relaxing atmosphere with the Air Ethereal Flame Aroma Diffuser. Pour some water, turn on the soothing LED flame light, and enjoy up to 6 hours of mist depending on the settings. It automatically shuts off when water's low, ensuring safe use. This diffuser combines the elements of fire and water to create a calming ambience. Igloo Tornado. The Igloo Tornado is a space heater and oil diffuser in one. Pour some ethanol and fire it up within just 5 minutes. The special construction warms up, radiating cozy warmth throughout the room. It's not just a heater, but an engaging display that transforms burning fuel into an artistic experience. Plus, it helps reduce your electric bill. Aeroweave MK001 Air Purifiers. Ensure clean air in your home with the Aeroweave MK001 Air Purifier. Equipped with a potent HEPA filter, it effortlessly filters out particles like smoke, pollen, pet dander, and hair, promoting optimal air quality and well-being. With dual-channel and 360-degree air inlets, this purifier refreshes rooms up to 215 square feet. It operates quietly, reaching a mere 22 dB in sleep mode, and features an aroma pad for delightful scents. LZ Filter Levitating Moon Lamp. Bring a piece of the cosmos into your home with the LZ Filter Levitating Moon Lamp. Using magnetic levitation, this moon lamp suspends and spins freely in the air. Crafted with lifelike precision using 3D printing technology, it replicates the moon's craters and surface texture. It features 7-color RGB illumination, adjustable via touch or remote control, creating dreamy and warm atmospheres for any occasion. 12 South High-Rise Pro. Elevate your workstation with the 12 South High-Rise Pro. This stand not only improves your posture by adjusting the height, but also ensures a clutter-free desk with a discreet MagSafe charger holder. It accommodates all laptops and MacBooks from 11 inches to 16 inches, offering an ergonomic setup. Adjust the height from 2.5 to 6 inches for the ideal eye level during video calls or when pairing with external displays. Pitaka Air Omni Charging Station. For those with multiple Apple devices, the Air Omni Charging Station is a powerful solution. It supports fast charging with an 18W output and features integrated Apple Watch and Lightning outputs. Android users can switch the connector to USB-C with a push of a button. It also has a built-in stand for using your tablet while charging and a secret drawer for storing small items. Chairmeister Self-Balance Chair. Say goodbye to poor posture with the Chairmeister Self-Balance Chair. This chair promotes a healthy seated position by snapping you back into the correct posture, no matter how you lean. Crafted in a comfortable saddle shape and filled with plush cushioning, it reduces muscle tension. The horseshoe-like stable base prevents accidental topples, and you can even do a little workout while sitting. Low-profile ceiling fan. Combine lighting and cooling with the low-profile ceiling fan. It features a ceiling lamp with 2 types of colors: adjustable brightness, temperature, and a timer. Despite being a fan, it operates quietly, making it suitable for a toddler's room. The installation is quick and easy, and maintenance is hassle-free. Hymela M05 Wall Sconce. Bring order to your house with the Hymela M05 Wall Sconce. It features 5 hooks to hang keys, bags, clothes, and more, along with a couple of USB ports for your electronic devices. The shelf above provides additional storage, and the warm ambient light ensures comfort and functionality. Daegu LED Wall Sconce. Illuminate your room with the Daegu LED Wall Sconce. It offers 360-degree illumination with either ordinary or RGB lights. Cordless and rechargeable, it provides up to 20 hours of illumination. Touch and remote control, along with a memory function, enhance user convenience. EasyJoy Couch Cup Holder. Enhance your lounging experience with the EasyJoy Couch Cup Holder. This silicone tray fits onto your couch armrest, featuring several compartments for your phone, remote, and drinks of various sizes. It can also transform into a tablet stand. If you spill or crumble something, simply rinse the tray under tap water. Argo Twister and ProtoArc EM11 Mouse. Improve your work ergonomics with the Argo Twister and ProtoArc EM11 Mouse. The Twister's ambidextrous design supports both hands, encouraging a balanced approach to intensive mouse use. It also reminds you to take short breaks. The ProtoArc EM11 mouse minimizes wrist strain and provides a natural hand position for comfort during long hours. Both mice feature customizable buttons and ergonomic designs. Squid Game Alarm Clock. Wake up with a sense of urgency with the Squid Game Alarm Clock. Inspired by the popular show, this alarm clock will jolt you awake with its loud alarm. For a calmer wake-up, choose a 95 dB alarm with a buzzer. The clock's color and light settings can be adjusted to suit your preferences. DOSBox. Enhance your sleep routine with the DOSBox. It plays calming music or white noise, and its sunrise and sunset light simulate natural transitions, aligning your biological clock for a more natural sleep-wake cycle. It also charges your gadgets while you rest. Design Nest UFO Night Lamp. Add a touch of extraterrestrial charm with the Design Nest UFO Night Lamp. This lamp can transform into a wall-mounted nightlight. Its saucer-like lamp head magnetically hovers, allowing you to adjust the angle. The lamp's touch controls offer 3 brightness levels, and it's powered by a rechargeable battery. Auto Cup Water Bottle. Convenience is key with the Auto Cup Water Bottle. This self-stirring cup uses temperature differential technology to stir automatically without batteries. It's crafted from durable stainless steel, promises longevity and hygiene, and is perfect for on-the-go use. A living coffee table. For storage and style, consider the A Living Coffee Table. It features multiple internal storage compartments, drawers, and flip doors. The unique clasp design allows for tool-free assembly, making it easy to set up. Fomni LED Coffee Table. Illuminate your living space with the Fomni LED Coffee Table. It features a body-sensing LED light that illuminates when you approach. Manual control allows for brightness and color adjustments, and it includes USB ports and outlets for charging devices. My Mappy Night Light. Decorate your room without spoiling the walls with the My Mappy Night Light. It offers 3 light temperatures and can turn into a shadow projector. Use it as a personalized travel diary by marking the countries you visited and plan to visit. Cololight Hexagon Lights. Create customizable lighting with Cololight Hexagon Lights. These hexagonal panels can be assembled in any way you like. Pair them with an app for complete control over color modes, brightness, and more. Use the music mode to have the lights react to your favorite songs. Yoga Sleep Dome Classic Sound Machine. Struggling to fall asleep? The Yoga Sleep Dome Classic Sound Machine features 2 fan speeds and customizable vent adjustments, providing natural sleep aid and a calming companion for infants. It also enhances focus and blocks out distractions, making it perfect for work-from-home setups. Duke Audio VU9 Pixie Tube Sound Level Meter. Elevate your audio experience with the Duke Audio VU9 Pixie Tube Sound Level Meter. Inspired by Nixie Tube aesthetics, this sound level meter blends retro design with modern technology. It features microphone and line inputs, wirelessly connects to audio devices, and offers 9 display modes. Smart RGB Sound Control Lights. For a futuristic look, consider smart RGB sound control lights. They can be controlled by voice or buttons, featuring 18 light modes and various brightness levels for a customized aesthetic. Cololight Mix Acid RGB Light. Add a touch of color with the Cololight Mix Acid RGB Light. Gesture control allows for intuitive adjustments, and strong magnets enable versatile placement. Manage colors, brightness, and effects with the Cololight app. Esvalo LED Night Light. If you prefer a calming light, the Esvalo LED Night Light might be appealing. Its upper part is 180-degree rotatable, making it easy to adjust the light beam. It also functions as a phone stand and charger, and includes a built-in speaker. Kitvona Kinetic LED Lights. Transform your room with Kitvona Kinetic LED lights. These lights create hypnotic ocean waves and northern lights effects. Available in various sizes, they're perfect for parties or romantic settings. Sunmori Floor Lamp. Save space and bring order with the Sunmori Floor Lamp. Standing at 63 inches, it features 3 shelves for personal items, 2 USB ports, and a socket. The LED light promises 20,000 hours of warm illumination. These gadgets are more than just items. They're companions that bring convenience, fun, and a touch of futuristic charm to your living space. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity, enjoy some nostalgic gaming, or simply add some flair to your room, these gadgets have you covered. Transform your home into a tech paradise and make every day a little more exciting. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and insights. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy exploring.